Working as a software engineer involves solving complex problems and writing code that helps computers perform specific tasks. Software engineers develop applications or systems that run on computers or other devices. They might work on creating a social media platform, designing a mobile app, or building software that manages data for businesses. Essentially, they make sure that the software functions efficiently according to the desired specs, which means specifications or detailed instructions. The day of a software engineer often begins with checking emails and reviewing the tasks or assignments for the day. These tasks might involve coding, which is the process of writing instructions in a programming language that the computer understands. This programming forms the core activity of developing software. Therefore, coding and programming are integral parts of a software engineer's duties. They use languages like Python, Java, or C++ to write the code that dictates the software's operations. Software engineers also spend a lot of their time debugging, which means finding and fixing errors or bugs in the code. If software doesn't operate as expected, it might have a bug, an error in the coding that prevents the software from functioning correctly. Debugging is like a detective's work, where the engineer must carefully examine the code, understand where the mistake is, and correct it to ensure that the software works smoothly. Testing is another crucial aspect of a software engineer's job. After coding, engineers must test the software to see how it behaves in different situations. This process involves running the software under controlled conditions to verify that it behaves as expected. Testing helps engineers find any remaining bugs and check the software's functionality before it becomes available to the public. Through testing, they ensure that the users will have a functional and efficient piece of software. Collaboration is essential for software engineers. They frequently work in teams, sharing tasks and supporting each other to build a software product. Collaboration or working together often allows them to brainstorm, share innovative ideas, and solve problems more effectively. In this team environment, communication plays a vital role. Every team member must clearly express their thoughts, listen to others, and synthesize feedback to improve the software. Lastly, software engineers often engage in learning and development activities. The tech field is continually evolving, and new programming languages, tools, and technologies emerge regularly. Staying updated with these developments or keeping abreast of new innovations is crucial. Learning new skills or enhancing existing ones is part of their continuous professional development. In summary, the work of a software engineer is diverse and challenging, involving tasks like coding, debugging, and testing, all of which require a great deal of problem-solving skills. Collaborating effectively with others and continuously learning new technologies are also important aspects of being a successful software engineer. This profession not only demands technical skills, but also strong communication and ongoing learning, making it a dynamic and continuously evolving field.